Samsung is about to launch the Galaxy Z Flip 8, but according to one of the biggest Samsung leakers out there, this might actually be the last Galaxy Z Flip ever. Yeah, no Flip 9, and possibly no cheaper Flip FE either. Now, Samsung obviously hasn't confirmed any of this, but the person making this claim is Exynos. And when it comes to Samsung leaks, this is not someone you can simply ignore. So if the Galaxy Z Flip 8 really is the final chapter for Samsung's clamshell foldables, the big question is, did Samsung save its best flip for last? Because based on everything we've seen so far, the Galaxy Z Flip 8 is shaping up to be a pretty interesting upgrade. Let's start with the design. The Flip 8 is expected to be the thinnest and lightest Galaxy Z Flip Samsung has ever made. We're reportedly looking at just 6.6mm when unfolded, 13.2mm when folded, and around 180 grams. That's 8 grams lighter than the Flip 7. And with foldables, that actually matters. Because the biggest complaint about these phones has always been that they're fun to fold, but not always fun to carry. Samsung seems to be trying to fix exactly that. The cover screen is expected to be 4.1 inches, while the main display could grow to 6.9 inches. Both displays are OLED, and brightness is reportedly going all the way up to 2600 nits. You also get HDR10+ support, while the cover screen is protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 2. But the display upgrade I'm personally most interested in is the crease, because Samsung has been using basically the same approach for years. And now, the Galaxy Z Flip 8 is reportedly getting a redesigned hinge and an improved OLED panel that could make the crease almost impossible to notice. Now, I wouldn't call it completely invisible just yet, but if Samsung can make that crease significantly less obvious, that could be one of the most important upgrades on the entire phone. As for the colors, we're currently expecting cream, graphite, and pink. And there could also be a mint version, although that color may still be in development. Moving on to the cameras. The Galaxy Z Flip 8 is expected to keep a 50-megapixel main camera, along with a 12-megapixel ultrawide. On the front, there's reportedly a 10-megapixel selfie camera, and all three cameras could support 4K video at 60 frames per second, along with 10-bit HDR10+ and Super HDR. There have been some rumors about 8K video recording from the 50-megapixel main camera. But honestly, I wouldn't expect that. And for a phone this small, 4K 60 is already more than enough. The real upgrade is happening inside the phone. The Galaxy Z Flip 8 is expected to use Samsung's Exynos 2600 chip, and this is a pretty big deal. It's reportedly built on a 2nm process and is expected to power the Galaxy S26 and S26 Plus as well. So compared to the Exynos 2500 in the Flip 7, we could be looking at a serious improvement in both performance and efficiency. The phone is also expected to come with 12 GB of RAM, with 256 GB and 512 GB storage options. And connectivity is getting a full upgrade too. 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6.0, NFC, and USB-C speeds of up to 5 gigabits per second. Now, battery life has always been one of the biggest concerns with the Flip series. But the Flip 8 could finally get a meaningful upgrade here. The phone is rumored to pack a 4300 mAh battery, with 45-watt wired charging and 15-watt Qi 2.2 wireless charging. That's definitely moving in the right direction. Software-wise, the Galaxy Z Flip 8 is expected to launch with Android 17 and One UI 9, and Samsung is reportedly promising 7 years of software updates. There could also be 12 Galaxy AI features built into the phone from day one. Things like audio eraser, call assist, health assist, photo assist, writing assist, and more. As for the price, the Galaxy Z Flip 8 could start at around $1,199.99 in the United States and around $1,012.99 in Europe. So yes, it could be slightly more expensive than the Flip 7. But considering the new processor, extra memory, higher component costs, and all the other upgrades, that price increase probably won't come as a huge surprise. And we should know everything officially very soon. Samsung is expected to announce the Galaxy Z Flip 8 at Galaxy Unpacked on July 22nd in London. Pre-orders could begin on July 28th, with the phone reportedly going on sale August 5th. So, if we put everything together, the Galaxy Z Flip 8 is looking like a pretty complete package. It's thinner. It's lighter. The crease could be significantly better. The battery is bigger. The processor is faster. You get 12 GB of RAM, 7 years of updates, and a whole list of new Galaxy AI features. But here's the strange part. If Exynos is right, this could also be the end of the line. Samsung could be releasing its best Galaxy Z Flip yet, and then simply stopping. Now, I have no idea if Samsung is actually going to do this. Plans can change, and Samsung hasn't confirmed anything. But if the Galaxy Z Flip 8 really is the last one, then this phone suddenly becomes a lot more important. So what do you think? Would you actually be sad to see Samsung end the Galaxy Z Flip series? Or do you think Samsung should stop making clamshell foldables and focus on something completely new? Let me know what you think in the comments. And of course, subscribe, because the Galaxy Z Flip 8 is almost here. I'll see you in the next one.